Go.
Alright. You're watching I Live I, where we show you cool places to eat.
My name is Tim.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're in Fresno.
Yeah, and we're checking out, I think, one of the only Filipino spots here called Boba, Silog.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
About to check it out.
Yep.
Let's go. We out here live in Fresno.
This guy's on camera, which you guys rarely see, but we're headed to Yosemite.
Yosemite.
Happy late birthday to this guy.
Thank you.
Say we're going to Yosemite. He found this spot.
Yeah, we were creating Filipino food.
You know, I'm half Filipino, right?
We found this spot in Yelp.
Yeah, so pretty dope. It's kind of tucked away. You have to really know that it's here. But thank God we found it. Got some lumpia, as you know. It comes in like these little baskets, which is pretty dope.
Lumpia.
Yep. And of course, they give you the sweet chili sauce, as usual. And then chicken connoisseur, so we definitely had to get the wings.
I got pork chops in it.
Yeah. They have a ton of stuff on their menu, actually. There's a lot of silogs. You got that. They don't have top silog, do they?
They have every kind of silog.
Not the little fish. What's the fish we had in Pink Salt?
They did.
They did?
They do.
Well, I'm happy we didn't get that. If you saw that video, it was very salty.
He's talking about the yolk.
Yeah. The yolk silog, right?
Like he ate the whole fish. Took a bite like this. Says it tastes like the sea.
Yeah. So that was my experience. But yeah, man, we've been driving a long time, so definitely ready to grub on some food. I'm gonna start with the usual suspect, the lumpia.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. So you're not going with the sauce?
No, I'm gonna dip it after he cheers.
Alright, man. You got cheers with this. Yeah. Just eat them all in one bite. I don't know what he's doing.
It's so good.
Yeah, so good I gotta go back again. They're good. They come with 10. There's like 10 of them.
How do you like it?
It's really good. It's moist.
It's moist.
But they're very fresh. I like when they make them smaller because they're easier to eat. Finger foods, everybody can join in and get some, so they're good appetizers.
This is favorite, so.
It is for sure my favorite. But yeah, these are good. I think if I had to compare to the best I've probably had, man, Pink Salt was pretty good.
Pink Salt's good, yeah.
Those were good. Cebuchon. So I wasn't in that video, but I actually worked right down the street, so I ordered like 100 of them for a little potluck that we had, and those were on point. People were eating them without the sauce, so they forgot there was sauce in there, so I got lucky.
Normally the best ones are the frozen ones too.
The Trader Joe's have those?
No. Filipino stores do.
Trader Joe's, you guys, if you've seen these videos, the bao and all those things, you guys should get some lumpia. You guys would be in the money right there.
Alright, so on to the next one.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? Want to do these wings?
These wings.
Alright. So we got sweet and spicy.
You have to get chicken.
I did, of course. Oh,
whoa.
Look at that.
Whoa. What is that?
Sticky. I had to peel it off the paper in order to get it. It's sweet and spicy.
Let me try this out. Lemon pepper? Lemon pepper?
But, lemon pepper, they put their sauce on the side.
Let's try it without the sauce. What do you think? It's pretty bland.
Yeah, by itself?
By itself.
Now you're gonna try with the sauce. These are pretty good. They're sticky, but it's hot. moist on the inside, but it's really, really crispy on the outside. And that sauce just kind of like caramelizes on top of it, so it's really, really good. And so it was a choice between spicy and sweet and spicy, and she said spicy is really hot. And I can see that even the sweet is kind of hiding a little bit, but it's got a kick to it. So spicy is probably off the charts.
That sauce is gravy. It's weird with the lemon pepper. So, I'm telling you now, it's weird. I wouldn't order it anyway.
No? So if you like Buffalo Wild Wings,
Stay there. Don't go here for the wings. Well, I guess he likes
he hasn't tried these yet. Get down, bro. This got to be, yeah, it's sticky.
Oh, it's hot.
At least you know it's fresh.
That's a nice cook. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It creeps up on you.
Yeah, it does.
Right?
It sticks to your mouth too.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you got braces, because I've had them for 2 years when I was in high school, you're going to stay away from these bad boys.
They're good though. Way better than the lemon pepper.
Yeah. Well, actually, I haven't tried the lemon pepper, so I'll see what it's about. I see what you mean. So they're coated on the outside, but I don't know if it's because they don't marinate it, but when you bite into it, you don't really taste lemon after you get past the skin. So is the chicken wing? It's good, it's crispy.
Start with the gravy.
All right.
It's weird, man. That's weird. It's weird.
So it'd be great if this sauce, even though it's kind of like a gravy, even if they put lemon in there, at least it gets some lemon because I'm missing the lemon from the lemon pepper. So.
And that gravy just makes it weird. Do not get lemon pepper here.
Alright.
So, on to the main dish. Pork chops and log.
Sorry, Jay. And Angela. Well, you already know I don't eat eggs, so I'm not even gonna mess with the egg over there.
So it's just really deep fried pork chop. Breaded fried pork chop.
Work. I don't know, I'm about to eat it just like this.
Do it like this. Oh.
It's really tender because it just pulls apart. And it's not too salty.
It's gonna be good with the gravy, I bet.
Oh, the gravy that was weird over there?
Oh. Wait, wait.
So, I'm pretty sure this gravy is the same one that they use for the lemon pepper.
Probably.
Pretty sure. But it goes way better with the pork.
Yeah.
For that one, I would probably switch out the gravy and just do like a, I don't know, something on top of it. Just more lemon. So this is good. I'm gonna try this rice though.
Looks so good.
I love how they always form the rice for you in like a bowl.
Once you get, you normally get it, put it in a cup first, and then Filipino tricks 101.
So the rice is cooked pretty good. You can definitely taste the garlic. So we're gonna go home and kiss somebody.
Bang.
Pretty good, right? Here's your spoon.
Yeah.
I'll try with the rice.
So, Thea and Gina got this adobo with spare ribs. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
So we got adobo, you know. So this is they're using pork spare ribs, right? It's pork spare ribs. I've never had adobo pork spare ribs before, so I'm gonna try it out.
Just gonna go for this piece right here. And look, it just literally came off the bone. Oh yeah.
Oh man.
That
oh
is.
My God. That's way better than the pork chop.
I'm putting that on the gravy. Let's see.
I should have gotten this. No, the pork chop is good too.
Yeah.
But this
This
one
is, because it's different. It's something we've never had. So this is.
legit. Yeah. Besides the lemon pepper wings, everything is good.
Yeah. So yeah, this is definitely a great find, my man. Enjoyed it.
And they also got fancy drinks like bobas.
Yeah, and they have I was gonna say they got a boatload of drinks up there, so you got a lot of stuff to choose from. They even have chicken and spaghetti, which I almost got. Probably should have got that. They have chicken and waffles. I did not see that. Trust me, I would have had it if I saw it before we ordered. So maybe we'll come back again. I don't know, on the way home and try some chicken and waffles. There's not a lot of places in Yosemite to eat, so we figured we'd do it before we got there.
Thanks for joining us here today.
Yes, sir. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right there.
The bell notification so you
Ding,
can watch
ding, ding.
more videos like this one.
Yep. And make sure to share with it. Yeah. Share with your family and friends.
Because they're going to love it.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.